Gold, a symbol of wealth, power, and beauty that has captivated humanity for millennia. From the crowns of ancient kings to the vaults of modern banks, this precious metal has shaped economies, driven explorations, and inspired countless legends. But have you ever paused to wonder, where does gold actually come from? Today, we embark on a journey not just through the annals of human history, but across the cosmos itself to uncover the origins of gold. From celestial collisions to the Earth's core, from the tombs of pharaohs to the heart of the most feverish gold rushes, we'll reveal how gold has continued to mold our world in ways you've never imagined. Stay with us as we delve into the enigmatic journey of gold, uncovering secrets that span the reaches of space and time. Why has gold remained at the pinnacle of human desire? And how has it come to lie within the palm of your hand? Welcome to Dream Trips, where we explore the most fascinating stories from around the globe and beyond. If you're curious about the mysteries that lie hidden in history and the universe, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the cosmic tale of gold's birth and its earthly voyage, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Join us on more adventures that unravel the wonders of our world. And why not start with the story of gold, a tale that's as old as time itself, yet as fresh as the jewelry adorning your life. Before we talk about the glittering artifacts and the wealth that gold has come to symbolize, let's cast our gaze far beyond the confines of our planet, to the vast, dark expanse of the universe. It's here, among the stars, that the story of gold begins, in events so powerful and extraordinary, they seem to belong to the realm of science fiction rather than the pages of a science textbook. Imagine two neutron stars, remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae, locked in a cosmic dance. As they orbit each other, they spiral closer and closer, until eventually, they collide in a cataclysmic event known as a kilonova. This collision is so intense it rips apart the fabric of space, creating ripples known as gravitational waves that echo through the universe. But the kilonova does more than just send ripples across space-time. It also forges elements heavier than iron, including gold. In these unimaginably violent moments, atoms are smashed together in nuclear reactions, creating the precious metals that we so highly treasure. Now you might wonder, how did this gold, formed in the heart of collapsing stars light years away, find its way to Earth? The answer lies in the very building blocks of our solar system. As the cloud of gas and dust that would eventually form the Sun and its orbiting planets coalesced, these newly minted gold atoms were incorporated into the mix, becoming part of the Earth's very essence during its formation. So, when we admire a gold ring or marvel at a gold coin, we're not just appreciating a rare metal. We're holding a piece of the cosmos, a remnant of a star's dramatic demise, and a testament to the incredible forces that shape our universe. Before we talk about the ancient civilizations that first unearthed this precious metal, it's crucial to understand how gold, formed in the distant cosmos, came to be scattered beneath our feet, hidden within the Earth's crust. The journey from a star's cataclysmic end to the gleaming treasure in a prospector's pan is as remarkable as it is complex. Gold, despite its cosmic abundance, is exceedingly rare on Earth, a testament to its extraterrestrial origins. It is dispersed unevenly within the Earth's crust, concentrated in places where the forces of nature have acted most violently. Through the slow yet inexorable movements of plate tectonics, the very same forces that raise mountains and open oceans, gold is brought closer to the Earth's surface. Volcanic eruptions, too, play their part in this grand redistribution. As magma rises and cools, it can carry gold with it, depositing it in veins that snake through the rock. Over millions of years, erosion wears down these rocks, freeing the gold and allowing it to accumulate in the riverbeds and alluvial plains where it can be found by miners. But why is gold found in such specific conditions, in veins, nuggets, and flecks? It's because gold is chemically inert, resistant to most chemical reactions that would change it or dissolve it away. This rarity and durability are what make gold the precious commodity it has been throughout the ages. In the riverbeds carried by water over millennia, in mines extracted from the heart of mountains, gold continues to be a symbol of wealth and beauty. This natural alchemy, from the forces within the earth to the water flowing over its surface, shapes not just the landscape, but the very history of human civilization. As we trace the paths these processes have carved, we uncover the relentless pursuit of gold that has driven mankind to the farthest reaches of the earth. Before we talk about the monumental gold rushes that fueled migrations and wars, let's step further back in time to the dawn of civilization itself. It's here, amidst the cradle of ancient societies, that humans first encountered gold, not as a mere curiosity, but as a substance of immense beauty and value. Imagine the awe of our ancestors as they stumbled upon this gleaming metal, nestled in riverbeds or embedded in rock, untouched by rust or decay, reflecting the sun's rays with unparalleled brilliance. These first encounters with gold would spark a fascination that has lasted millennia. The oldest recorded gold artifacts, discovered in the burial sites of the Sumerian civilization, speak of gold's immediate association with divinity and eternity. Ancient Egyptians, too, revered gold, dedicating immense resources to mine it in the Nubian deserts. They believed gold was the flesh of the gods, a material that could confer eternal life, adorning their pharaohs in gold as they prepared them for their journey into the afterlife. But it wasn't just in burial rites that gold found its place. Across the globe, in the great civilizations of the Mesoamericans, the Incas, and the countless dynasties of China, gold became a symbol of power and status, intricately woven into the fabric of societies. From the intricate jewelry that adorned the elite to the sacred objects placed in temples, gold underscored the divine and the sovereign. As these civilizations grew and encountered each other, gold began to play another crucial role as a medium of trade. The allure of gold was universal, transcending language and culture, making it an ideal standard for wealth and exchange. This early trade in gold laid the foundations for economic systems that would eventually span continents. The story of gold, from its divine associations to its role in trade and power, sets the stage for a deeper understanding of how this precious metal has shaped not just economies, but the very course of human history. As we peel back the layers of time, we uncover the relentless pursuit of gold, a pursuit that would lead humanity to the farthest corners of the earth, driven by the desire to possess this eternal symbol of wealth and beauty. Before we talk about the modern world's relationship with gold, it's essential to revisit a series of events that changed the course of history: the gold rushes. These were not just moments of frenzied searches for wealth. They were catalysts for transformation, altering landscapes, societies, and economies in profound ways. The California Gold Rush of 1849 stands as one of the most iconic. It beckoned over 300,000 people from across the United States and around the world to the American West, driven by the promise of wealth for the taking. Towns sprang up overnight, and San Francisco grew from a small settlement to a booming city, setting the stage for California's eventual statehood. But the fever didn't stop at American borders. In the mid-19th century, Australia experienced its own series of gold rushes, starting in New South Wales and Victoria. These rushes transformed the Australian colonies, significantly increasing their populations and leading to the wealth that would build cities like Melbourne and Sydney from the ground up. Across the ocean in the late 19th century, gold was discovered in the Witwatersrand region of South Africa. This discovery would not only be the largest gold rush in history, but also the inception of Johannesburg, now a major world city. The wealth from the gold mines laid the foundations for South Africa's economy, but also sowed the seeds of apartheid, a stark reminder of the complex legacy of gold. The gold rushes were more than just episodes of wealth accumulation. They were pivotal in shaping the modern world. They spurred mass migrations, with individuals and families uprooting their lives in search of fortune, leading to a melting pot of cultures and the birth of new communities. Economically, they injected unprecedented wealth into emerging markets, funding infrastructure and industrial development. Yet the gold rushes also brought challenges, from the displacement of indigenous peoples to environmental degradation. The landscapes that whispered promises of gold bore witness to the heights of human ambition and the depths of despair, painting a complex picture of our relationship with this precious metal. Before we talk about the future of gold, it's crucial to understand its place in today's world, both in terms of its acquisition and its significance. The quest for gold has evolved dramatically from the days of panhandlers and mine shafts to sophisticated operations that reach into the planet's most remote regions. Today, gold mining is a complex and technologically advanced process. From open-pit mining to deep underground excavations, the methods have expanded to extract gold more efficiently. However, this efficiency comes at a cost. The environmental impact of gold mining is significant, affecting water supplies, displacing wildlife, and leaving behind landscapes scarred by large-scale operations. Once extracted, gold ore undergoes a series of processing steps to isolate pure gold. This involves crushing the ore, leaching it with cyanide to separate the gold, and then refining it to achieve the high purity required for market. While these processes have become more refined, they still pose environmental and health risks, highlighting the need for sustainable practices in the gold industry. Beyond its tangible presence, gold plays a pivotal role in the global economy. It's not just the material from which jewelry and ornaments are crafted. Gold is a cornerstone of financial systems worldwide. Governments hold vast reserves of gold as a hedge against economic volatility, a practice that underscores gold's enduring value and stability in the face of fluctuating currencies and financial crises. For individuals, gold remains a popular investment, seen as a safe haven in uncertain times. Its appeal lies not just in its physical beauty, but in its ability to retain value over time, making it a preferred choice for those looking to preserve their wealth across generations. The story of gold is far from over. As we continue to navigate the challenges of the 21st century, the role of gold, both as a physical asset and a symbol of enduring wealth, remains as relevant as ever. Its journey from the stars to the core of the earth and into the vaults and jewelry boxes of human civilization is a testament to its unbreakable bond with our collective history and future ambitions. As we reach the end of our journey, we've traversed the vast expanse of the universe, delved deep into the Earth's crust, and wandered through the annals of human history, all in pursuit of understanding gold's enigmatic allure. From its celestial origins, born from the cataclysmic collisions of neutron stars, to its role as a cornerstone of wealth and power in human civilizations, gold has been a constant, a symbol of the eternal and the divine. Our exploration has revealed not just the physical journey of gold, but also its profound impact on society, culture, and economy. This precious metal, so rare and so tirelessly sought after, continues to captivate our imagination and drive our ambitions. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest for beauty and stability in an ever-changing world. But what does gold mean to you? Is it a symbol of wealth, a piece of history, or perhaps a marker of human achievement? We invite you to share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. Your perspectives enrich our collective understanding and appreciation of gold's multifaceted journey. If you've been fascinated by the tale of gold's journey from the stars to our hands, then please like this video and subscribe to Dream Trips. Here we explore the wonders of our world and beyond, unraveling the stories that connect us all. Your support helps us bring more content like this to light. Thank you for joining us on this golden odyssey. Until our next adventure, keep wondering, keep exploring, and always seek the treasures hidden in the stories of our world.